Okay, so here's an update on my last video. After doing a little bit of research on this, I come to find out that this expedition at least looks a whole lot like a T43371 expedition, which is known as the Shenmue series, or Shenmue Watch, made popular by a Dreamcast game. The blackface one, which we have here, is the less common one and is said to be extremely rare. So we're going to flip this over on its backside. I'm going to put this up on YouTube so everybody can take a look and possibly tell me if I'm right, if I'm wrong, what this is. Can't really read that. But it's got the instructions on the back. It doesn't give you a model number anywhere on it. But it's like your typical instructions. You can see the heavy pitting that's on this too. I'm not going to do anything about that until I get some kind of an idea as to what the story is on the watch. If it is a Shenmue, and I also have a a leather strap ordered for it, black and brown, similar to the one that was on there, though the one that was original for it I can't find. But you know, try and get a good look at it. Put it down flat, a little bit easier. Maybe we can get an idea if this is an actual Shenmue. If there's any kind of value to this watch. Did my $8.50 eBay score turn into one of the most valuable watches in my collection? I'm going to put it out there and see if maybe everyone from YouTube can help me. Thanks.